sure is a beautiful day out at Ocean Beach. Yo, 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 another day, another adventure with your homeboy Jermaine, and getting this vlog started off. Just out on a group ride, and the group has totally left. The group has totally left me. I think this is a group up ahead, actually. I think I've caught up. No, wait, how can this be? This must be magic. I thought I was long gone. I don't know how we caught up, right?
Yeah.
Well, okay, I guess I found the group. So anyway, yo, let's get this video started. Okay, what is going on up here? We got another protest or festival or something? No bikes. Didn't say anything about skateboards though.
Don't do it.
What is he talking about? Don't do it. Check it out.
Welcome to hang out with you.
Oh, hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up? What's good? Happy Saturday.
My legs!
Okay. Done with a quick battery swap. Everybody is headed to Twin Peaks now. Instead of going to Twin Peaks, because last week we went to Twin Peaks. This week we're gonna go to I'm gonna go to Vegeburg. That's what I'm gonna do right now. So I'm gonna slowly let the group pass me by, and I'm gonna, you know, make a quick right turn, and yeah, that's how I'm gonna play this one.
Vlog?
A little bit. Alright, just like that, gotta say bye to the group. Okay, cool beans, just in the park, hanging out. I'm loving this boosted backpack. The boosted backpack's pretty cool. I like it. It's pretty fly. It definitely holds a lot of stuff. I have 2 batteries, 2 standard range batteries in here, and also 2 chargers. And some random cables, and a selfie stick, and a surge protector, and you know, other random stuff. As I'm just standing here playing with the camera, there was this guy that literally walked up. Oh my gosh, there was like literally another guy about to do the same thing. But like, I'm standing here like here, okay? And there's all this space all around, okay? All this space. And I'm literally standing here on my phone like goofing off. And this guy with his dog comes and like walks like all the way like up to here, and then walks all the way around, and I'm just standing here like, you couldn't walk your little dog like just 2 feet or 3 feet over there. You had to get this close to me. I don't know, maybe I'm just weird. Maybe I'm just being weird. Maybe this doesn't make any sense, but I just couldn't figure that out. Like, why did you have to get so freaking close to me when we have all of this space? It's not like we are, you know, in a freaking train station or something, but I don't know, I just couldn't figure it out. Thought I would just throw that out there. And I think I'm gonna get ready to head back downtown, because right now it is the temperature is starting to cool down, and I'm not in the sun. If I was in the sun, I'd be I'd be okay. If I was in the sun, I'd be okay, but I'm definitely not in the sun right now. So Homeboy is about to get ready to go back downtown and leave the Panhandle. This is the Panhandle in the middle of, what is this, Fell Street and Oak Street. And yo, let's get ready to go. Yo, let go. Okay, looks like we got everything charged up now. Got the batteries charged up, got the boards, got the external battery, got the headphones, got the knee pads, got the boosted backpack. The boosted backpack's pretty cool. I love the boosted backpack. I mean, I kind of don't want to get it dirty because when you skate with this thing, you always have to set it on the ground. So it's gonna get really dirty, and I just got it, and I guess I got it free, so I guess it's okay if it gets dirty, right? I mean, I kind of want to make it, I kind of want it to look nice for at least like a couple of weeks before it gets all dirty and grimy. But I am the type of user that would use it every single day, so it would get dirty really fast. I really like this handle. It feels really good. It's a very decent backpack. Let's just open it up. I'll show you guys. I got like another battery and also some more weight in there. So to open it, you have to like undo it like this. Wait, am I doing this right? I'm trying to hold one hand with the camera. So it buckles like really cool like. And then you put the board in here. So once you put the board in here, you have the board here, and then you put this metal piece and it locks it in place like that. Like I would put the board in there. Let me put the board in there. Okay, you grab your board, just pop it in here like so. Yeah, you put the bottom of the board in this little thing, like, and you just like put the board over like so, and then you just put this over across, and you snap this in place, and that locks the board down. And then from there, you can just put the front part on, and then you zip this part. And then once you zip this part, you got your board on a backpack. And you also want to do this part. This is very important as well. You want to make sure you strap this part. And then, yeah, it's already strapped. And now your board's connected to a bag. In that car, I'm really not a fan of Camaros, but that joint looking good right now. I don't know why, but I'm totally not a fan of Camaros. I like them German cars, yo. Them European joints, but that American style, yo. OG tonight, how you doing, bro?
Hey man, God bless me this morning.
Tonight, how you doing tonight? Man?
Nah, man, you know what? I'm feeling good because I'm a Vietnam veteran. I have to feel good.
You're a veteran. What? Vietnam? Gotta love these streets of SF, yo. They got cake and everything. What happened to the cake tonight? That
cake is gone.
Okay, so check this out. It was a woman came up. She signed up the form, you know, filled out the rent control form. She saw the cake. We had a half a cake here.
Damn, we was
she saw that cake, and guess what?
It was looking so beautiful.
She walked off with that cake. She went straight across the street in the middle of traffic. I said, oh well. She got her some cake.
This is our nice spot right here.
It's a real good spot right here. It's a good spot. Yup, this is what Church and Market? Yes. Yes. Y'all got me crossing the street. Is that all weed?
Yeah, it's self-service, yeah.
Can I have some?
No, I can tell you so. It's not front to me. It's not front to me. I can't just fucking. If I could, I would.
I thought you guys were about to fight or something. You guys are all like some hippies.
No.
Where y'all from? You from the city?
Yes, sir.
Really? Johnny, what's going on? Yo, you know how to crochet hair?
No, I don't crochet mine.
Dude, I need to find somebody who can do my hair. Like, I need to do I got it done in like South Africa and then London, and I'm like back here, you know?
Whoa, okay, you global with it, okay?
No, yeah, it's not like that. It's a long story.
It's a
Really global. It's not
But are you like giving out free weed? Can I just have like a nug? Can I smell it?
I'm selling.
What does it smell like? Like, I mean, come on, like.
Smell.
Oh yeah. Did you grow it yourself?
No, my friend grows his right here by the hill. Yes.
Oh, by the hill in the city.
Yeah,
This is some San Francisco.
In Berkeley.
Oh, Berkeley.
Yeah, it's growing in Berkeley.
Oh yeah, across the bay.
Yeah.
Play with that nigga like you ain't got the dope on it.
Hey, my nigga. Okay.
Play with the nigga.
I'm trying to sell it.
This is what I see too.
But it's, hey, it's fake like smell got nose on it.
Tom, is that a flash on right there? Turn the flash on.
This guy, what do you say? I didn't say strawberry, I said sherbet. It's a sherbet. It's a sherbet.
You say it's strawberry sherbet.
No, it's sherbet. It's sherbet.
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 You got the exotic?
You got that exotic on me.
What?
Yeah.
Sherbet.
You got that sherbet.
Okay, you got the exotic.
I'll do a zip for fucking.
Number? You got a phone number?
Yeah, I do. I'll do a zip for 110 right now.
Okay. That's okay. If I had 110 to give you, I'll give it to you. So I'm gonna just.
No, I'm cool right now.
He charging. Hey, that's some San Francisco prices right there. He said one. He said 110. London ain't gonna hit you like that. Them folks struggling over there. Dang, he said 110. Ooh. I'm out, yo. I'm gonna go to Safeway. I gotta go get some groceries. At midnight, like, what time is it, like 2 a.m. or something? Are they still open? Oh, they 24 with you. Oh, it's open.